Hello friends, so make your way down to the ground, use your hands and move the fleshy parts of your bum off to the side, extend your legs out long in front of you, flexing through your feet, toes pointing towards your face. Take a moment to loop your shoulders and tuck in your chin slightly. So we're going to do our best to maintain this length in our spine as we move through this practice. Okay, let's take a moment to hug our right knee in towards our heart space and then open our right knee off to the side, pressing the sole of our right foot onto our inner left thigh. Feel free to pad the right knee with a blanket, or you can even use a yoga block here for added support. Okay, breathe in. And on an exhale, begin to hinge forward at your hip, spider crawling your fingers towards the top edge of your mat. Still maintaining length in our back body here, so in our spines. Go to a point in which you feel a bit of a stretch going on in the back of your leg and your hamstring. Breathe in. And on an exhale, permission to bend your left knee and round through your spine as you release the crown of your head, your forehead towards your knee. Feel free to leave your hands here on the mat or to your ankle, or even maybe wrapping it around the sole of your foot. Breathe in. And on an exhale, begin to roll on up through the spine, and let's just take it on over to the other side. So hugging now our left knee in towards our heart space, opening that left knee off to the side, placing the sole of our left foot on our inner right thigh here. We breathe in, and on an exhale, begin to hinge forward at the hip once again. Go to a point in which you feel a nice little stretch going on in the hamstring here. Breathe in. And on an exhale, round through the back body, bend through your right knee, and place your hands wherever it feels nice. And breathe here. Excellent. On your next exhale, begin to roll on up through the spine, coming back to a cross-legged position. Return to this video often, especially if you are looking for some hamstring TLC. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye for now.